Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Marvelous Marble Rainbow Pride for July 2022. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Skull Lover Nails. Now I've already started with Nailtique's Formula 2 and Low and Away foundational base color. And I'll be using Heat Seeking Stretch Pants by Braves Diva. Stanley, you truly are one chromosome away from being a potato. And then this yellow is the Pfeiffer. The P is not silent. And then we've got, you remember my lying vicious toad of a mother. And this one's not part of that group. Fab 5 Freddy. And then the purple is Why Paint the Peacock. So I'm going to do a water marble, but not really. I know, you're thinking, what? This is with the alcohol spray, and I use 91% alcohol in a little spray bottle, so you'll see that here in just a moment. Now, this one turned out a little different than the other ones I've done like this. Like on some nails, I still had like solid lines, and then in some nails, it was all the splotchies that I was expecting. So, but in any case, for me it worked. I was like, okay, well, this looks aight. You ever do that? Go, it's aight. I do have my latex and tape already on my fingers that I'm going to dip. Let's get the alcohol out and give it a couple of sprays. Spray it and then kind of watch it and see. Because sometimes when it decides to bust open, it goes real crazy. Like, it's nuts. So here we go. We're going to dip 2. There's my 91% alcohol. I'm going to do 2 at a time. And some of these I'm going to have to re-dip more than once. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Some of them's going to need a little love just to make them, look okay. I do really like using this prompt every month and doing some kind of marble nails, whether it's stamping, water marbling, whatever works for you. So that turned out a little funky. We're okay with that. So I'm going to get this one nail cleaned up, get that stuff off of it. And then I'm going to go back in and do another round of colors so that we can re-dip the middle nail, because it didn't get very much on that nail. So I want to get a little bit more on there. And that's one thing I do like about this technique is you could do one color at a time and just dip, 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 put the polish on there, spritz it with the alcohol, and then dip, and then do a different color. And, that would have been a good idea. Might need to give that a shot myself. Maybe the next one. And I'm not really worried about designs in the water because you see I'm spraying it. So it's definitely taking on a different look with that. I do use my little toothpick to clean up the excess off the top of the water before I pull my finger out. That way it doesn't end up on my fingernail as part of my design. So there we go. Now you can see I intended there to be like negative space in the background. That's why I did the foundational base coat, because my nails are kind of yellow from painting all the time. But some of this was a little ridiculous. It was too much negative space. So I am definitely working on, getting a happy medium going on here. But that's the thing with water marble, and I think that's why a lot of people are so intimidated by it, is because it's, it can be frustrating. I love water marbling, though. I'm here to tell you, I love it, love it. I'm going to dip 2 more fingers this next time. Just kind of get some little design kind of squiggled in there, and then spray it. And we're going to do 2 nails this time, but I'm going to have to do some re-dipping on this one too. And it's okay. I'm good with it. You guys know I like me some playing, so I'm having a good time. Look how pretty it looks up on the latex, above my fingernail. So pretty. Why couldn't that ended up on my nails? That's what I'd like to know. So there we go. So I've decided that one looks pretty good, so we're going to go ahead and pull that one off, and we're going to re-dip that pinky nail. Oh, I'm getting stuck to everything. Latex, tape, polish. Ooh, it's a sticky situation. But I pictured this in my head, and it's not too far from what I pictured. But like I said, maybe next time I'll do one color at a time, and maybe just worry about one finger at a time. I don't know. We'll see. Because I really do like having lots of that goodiness on my... See, look, just draw whatever you want in there, because it ain't going to matter. I love all the goodiness on my nails. You know, really excited to see the differences. See, look how that just kind of like warps and twists around. I love it. So here we go, trying to find a spot. There we go. Dip in and clean up that rest. I do pinch my finger, or the cup between my finger and my thumb to hold it still so I don't end up knocking it over. Alright, so we got the last one done. I'm going to get that latex and tape off. There we go. There we go. Got it good. Got a little bit of cleanup still to do. Not too bad though. And these polishes really didn't cause like a lot of smearing or anything. So they're pretty easy to clean up. You can see on my ring fingernail there's part of like a stripe of rainbow color. And then there's one also on my pointer finger. And that's why I decided this worked so well. And there's my thumb. It got kind of squirrely looking too. But I like it. I like crazy manicures. Obviously. Because I keep doing them. But doing a little bit more cleanup here. They'll look so much prettier once we get that top coat. Speaking of top coat, today I'm using Posh top coat. No need for smudge free or anything because I didn't stamp. And by the time I got done with these, they were pretty dry, so they were ready for some top coat. And there we go, nice glossy top coat. Cap that free edge. Very nice. And get Woody out here. Hi Woody, how you doing? Cleaning up my mess again, as always. But I figured these worked. They fit the theme. Rainbow Pride Water Marble. Or not water marble, marble. See, I need to get that right in my head if I'm going to keep doing these collabs every month with them. I really do enjoy them though. So, and I will have links for everybody down below as well as a hashtag if you want to go check out the other Rainbow Pride marbled nails. And there is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.